On guys, welcome back to another trade review. So I've been trading a lot of futures recently, and what I've been using to do that is Apex Trader Funding. That way I don't have to open up a margin account. So what you do is you go into Apex, and then you can pick an account size, and then once you pass an evaluation, so right now I have a $25,000 account and a $50,000 account. In the $25,000 account, you need to make 1,500 before losing 1,500 to get approved, and then you pay a monthly fee, and then you get access to trade with $25,000. And then you can take a payout twice a month. I believe it's the 1st through the 5th and the 15th through the 20th. So this is my Apex chart, and I'm going to show you the short trade I made on NQ today. Super simple. In futures, I'm just using basic support and resistance and some moving averages to help me confirm the trend. So on this trade this morning, you can see here on the 5-minute chart, I've got some support and resistance areas that I was looking to go long over. And then this support area I was looking to go short under. So the market opened down overall. And then as we were watching Apple and Nvidia, they tried to bounce in the morning and then failed at a resistance area and then flushed down. And then using Confluence with Apple and Nvidia, I was able to make this short trade. You can see where I entered my trade. I went short here on this break on this support area. Once we broke that low, we had heavy volume here. And then just to show you, I'll move this out of the way. You can see at the same time, Apple was going down and Nvidia also flushed down below their support or resistance areas. So making sure that Apple and Nvidia were going down in the same direction of my NQ trade. And we started to bounce here. We came down pretty far. We started to bounce here. And then I got out of that trade. There's another short opportunity here. If it broke back down below this area where it was trying to hold up around 206.85, you could have went short there again. But a lot of the times, if I'm green on the first trade, I usually call it a day, as long as I get close to my target or hit my target. So my target right now is around $200 to $250, and reason being, if you break it down, it's better to get these base hits instead of just swinging for the fence, because you can blow an account very quickly, especially at futures, if you take too large of a trade. But taking small trades helps me stay in the trade longer, takes away some of that anxiety. And then the reason I shoot for $200 or $250 goal a day, if you break that down, there's 20 trading days in a month. So 200 times 20 is around $4,000. So just taking those base hits add up, and then after, when the payout window opens up, you can take out up to $1,500 as a payout. It goes straight to your bank account. And if you shoot for that $4,000 goal, you can get two $1,500 payouts in a month. This is $3,000 a month, and you're trading with somebody else's money, so it's pretty cool. In my $50,000 account, my goal is a little bit higher than that. So I can actually trade multiple accounts at the same time and link them. That way I can take bigger payouts. But after 6 payouts or like 3 months, you can take out as much as you want. So if you make $5,000, you can take out $5,000 instead of the $1,500. But a super easy, simple trade. We broke that support, broke that resistance area, and then had Confluence with Apple and Nvidia. Overall market down. That's confirming our trend down, and then we went short. It's just super easy, simple setup. Go for those easy trades. Those easy trades really work. And right now, the market really took off when we got a new president-elect. And then we're just kind of cooling off, selling off. People are taking profit from the rally. But I want to talk a little bit about what the future holds, especially for the next 4 years. Now, regardless of who is president, there is money to be made in the market. But that being said, who is president can greatly affect the market on the difficulty of it. So back when Trump was in office the first time, the market took off. He was cutting taxes for big corporations, and stocks really took off and were trending a lot. So I was doing a lot of swing trading and options. Stuff would go up, like Apple would go up $10 a day, then it would go $10 the next day and the next day. But after COVID and a new president, a lot of stocks did not go up more than a day, or they would run in the morning and then fail and go down. Like it was really a bit more difficult to make money. But back when Trump was in office, I took $1,500 and turned it into $32,000 in 4 months. And then after that, my trading style had to really change. It became a lot more difficult to make money as the economy changed and because of COVID, and there was a bit of a learning curve there. But in the next 4 years is pretty much telling me, because we're going to get all these tax cuts and stuff like that, interest rates are probably going to go down. The market is going to be really good and give a lot of opportunities the next 4 years at least. So this is a great time to learn, even if you get a paper trading account just to practice, just to get your feet wet. But do not miss out on this opportunity over the next 4 years to make money. And stick to those simple trades. You don't need 50 indicators on your chart. You don't need to try to trade 10 different stocks at the same time, right? Find a basic strategy and stick to it. If it doesn't fit your strategy, don't trade it, right? So NQ was all in this range here, and I didn't touch it. My trades were, if it goes long over this level or this level, I'll take a long. If it breaks those levels, I'll look for a long. If it goes below this level, I'm looking for a short, as long as there's confluence in the market. So if I'm looking to go short here, like I did this morning, and Apple and Nvidia are taking off and going up, then I do not have a trade, because I don't have confirmation and confluence with that trade. There's a good chance NQ could bounce and reverse, because Apple and Nvidia and other tech stocks are going the opposite direction. You need that overall market to go with you in that direction. And you could say, oh, why didn't you hold this all the way down under the 9 EMA? I don't want to get greedy. So getting greedy will blow your account. And like I said, you don't need to shoot for $10,000 trades, because you can lose $10,000 and then you're done. You're out. You're blowing your account. You can't trade anymore. Taking those base hits, right? Add it up. Make a goal for yourself, right? If you say, oh, I need to make $1,000 a month, there's 20 days a month, break that down. How much do you need to make? And if you make that amount on that day, quit trading. Because a lot of times, if I go green and I hit my target and I'm like, oh, this might look like a good trade, and then I lose that trade, I'll give back profit when there's how many more days in the trading month? I mean, there's always tomorrow, right? You don't need to, one trade will wreck your account. One trade, one wrong trade that you took too big and got greedy will destroy your account. But one trade will not make your account. One trade is not going to make you wealthy, right? I'm sure you see stuff all over social media where people have, and those are rare cases, and a lot of times they got lucky. Do not allow social media to influence your trading. Take those base hits, because they add up. Like I said, $200 a day is $4,000 a month, right? That's more than a lot of people make at a 9-to-5 job. And today I made my goal in 20 minutes. The first 20-30 minutes of the market, I made my goal, and I'm done for the day. And then Monday I'll try to get 200, and then Tuesday I'll try to get 200. And taking those base hits, those smaller trades, have allowed me higher win rate, more confidence, and less stress and anxiety. You enter that big trade and it's bouncing around, you're not sure which direction it's going to go. It causes you so much anxiety and fear that you start to lose focus, and then you can allow the trade to go against you too far. All your rules go out the window. It's much easier to follow your rules when you take those base hit trades, I promise you. But I just wanted to share that information, show you this trade breakdown. Hope you guys enjoy your weekend, and I look forward to making another update and trade review.